Hello everybody. Today is Tuesday, December 13th. It's 4:09 p.m. It's about 9 minutes after the regular future session close. And I want to bring over the time and sales here. You can see the last trade on the EMini S&P is about 2268.50. Before I begin, first the required disclaimer. Okay, first up is the gold contract on the Superenco 6 tick, and this had a little bit of a drawdown off the open. We started with a winner, and then we pulled back a little bit, and we got chopped up around 10 o'clock, and then we had a couple of really nice long trades, a long and a short back to back, and then another long doing 850 for the day. Next up is the EMini S&P on a 2500 tick chart, and this actually did 750 for the day. I need to change the times here so it exits. This is actually set up to trade 24/7, so it actually should exit at the end of the day. So I'm going to go ahead and close the position here, and then I'm going to go in and change the time here so that it closes or stops trading before the session end. What's happening here is I don't have the session times turned on because it's trading 24/7. So I'm going to enable the session times, and then I'm going to change these times here so that we stop trading, say, at 15:30 or 15:40, 20 minutes before the close. And then I have to go here to the exits tab, and I have to enable the exits and then change the parameters to close actually not here at 15:30 or 40. I need to change it to 1600 hours, which is 4 p.m. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm going to just refresh the chart. So that will save the settings. And we're not showing any historical trades on the chart, but just want to note that looking at this chart, the indicators look fantastic. You can see the signal on the indicators. We had a long, and then a fade, and then a long again. So there was even money to be made on the pullback here, but the two long signals with the indicators are quite good. Okay, next up is the crude oil on the 500 tick chart, and this started off with a winner, and then we had a couple of small losers. Looks like we had an equity high of a little over 500 or 600 maybe. Okay, next up is the Superenco 8 tick, and this did 537.50 on a single trade. That is about 43 ticks in the EMini S&P. That's a pretty solid performance trading two contracts. Next up is the crude oil on the Superenco 6 tick, and this started off with a pretty nice winner, and then we ran into some chop here, giving us a drawdown of about 600. That's about half of our daily goal. And then we came back with a string of winners to do 520 for the day. Next up is the DAX on the Superenco 14 tick, and we started out with a really solid winner, and it looks like we had an equity high of about $1,400, and then we gave some back and ended up with 700 for the day. That's all for today's video. If you'd like to find out more, please visit our website at bluewavetrading.com, or feel free to send us an email to systems@bluewavetrading.com. Thank you for watching today.